In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams using Outlook. Microsoft Teams and Outlook work seamlessly together, making it a fantastic choice for organizing and managing your meetings efficiently. Whether you're scheduling for a small team or an entire department, this guide will ensure you're set up correctly and ready to go. Let's get started. First, it's crucial to ensure that you're logged into Microsoft Teams. You can do this by opening the Teams application on your desktop or through the web version. Logging in ensures that all your scheduled meetings are synced and accessible across your devices. This avoids any unnecessary hiccups or surprises before your meeting. Once you've logged in, look for the Calendar tab, which is usually located on the left sidebar. Clicking on Calendar will open a view of your schedule. This calendar is directly linked to Outlook, providing a seamless experience while you navigate through your schedule and plan upcoming meetings. Next, you'll want to find the date on which you wish to schedule your meeting. Simply browse through the calendar and click on your chosen date. This action will prompt a window to open, allowing you to begin entering the details of your meeting. Begin by typing in a name for your meeting. It's best to use a title that clearly describes the meeting's purpose, as this will be visible to all invited participants and help them know what to expect. Once you've named your meeting, you can move on to inviting participants. To invite people to your meeting, you'll need to enter their email addresses or names in the designated field. As you begin typing, Teams will often suggest contacts based on your previous meetings or your organization's directory, making it quicker to find the right people. Simply click on their email or name from the suggestions to add them to the meeting. Additionally, if there are any specific details about the meeting you'd like to communicate, such as an agenda or preparation materials, you can include these in the details section. Providing enough information here ensures your participants are well prepared and informed ahead of time. After detailing your meeting, it's time to select the timing. Make sure to specify the exact start and end times for your meeting by clicking on the time fields and adjusting accordingly. Being precise here helps your participants manage their schedules effectively and promotes punctuality. Finally, once you've filled out all necessary information, you're ready to send out the invitations. Simply click the Send button, and Microsoft Teams will send out email notifications to all invited participants, informing them of your newly scheduled meeting. And just like that, you're all set for your upcoming meeting. Thanks for joining me today, and I wish you successful and productive meetings ahead.